You got rid of it?
Back in the dump field.
Oh, it's in the junk field.
That's the GM section there.
BM?
GM.
Oh, GM section. We have a 1968 Oldsmobile.
Oldsmobile, Cadillac, and double A truck. Double A car.
It used to be green.
I don't know if I would call that green. You would call that green. Inside those lights, it's almost like a gold.
Yeah.
Or are you talking about the...
Yeah. Yeah. Well, your Cadillac 57?
Yeah. It's down here, it's a little kid. These professionals know the story.
1957.
Coyotes are everywhere now.
Got you on video.
Yeah.
No.
Hey, 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 hey. Hello.
Oh, 1948 or 47?
That's 48.
48.
My father can swim, you can swim, my brother can swim. I can swim a little bit to where I walk around.